Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how to do this look. It's not really a look, it's just my foundation routine, my flawless foundation routine. So without further ado, we're gonna get straight into this video. Make sure you like and comment on this video and subscribe and stay tuned for more. Already know, like, I really don't think that people understand how good drugstore makeup can be. Like, I didn't live my whole life off of drugstore makeup because I don't know about y'all, but Fenty and brands like that, I don't know, my pockets ain't set up for stuff like that. But alright, so we're just gonna go ahead and start. Yeah, this how you know that makeup tutorials and stuff is not in my future. The air came on. It's very rare that I like buy myself some high-end makeup because there's so many like cheap brands out here that you can get that look just about the same. So you know, why not? Okay, so first we're gonna start off. Look how ugly this came out. Okay, so first I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'm using this Wet n Wild color eyeliner in, I think it's SIMMA brown now. I got this from Walmart. Okay, by the way, y'all, I haven't got my eyebrows did in about 3 months. It's been a struggle trying to line my eyebrows and they so bushy and like, yeah, but we gonna try this. So this, I got this brush. It's a spoolie slash angle eyebrow brush. I got this from, well, this is not Drugstore, it's Crayon case, but you can get any of these anywhere. I think I got one of these from Amazon, but it broke. So I'm gonna start off by brushing out my eyebrows. Don't need to do this on camera. Oh my god, it's thick. I don't need to do this on camera because I know I messed up my eyebrows and y'all really gonna think, oh my gosh, you really don't know how to do eyebrows. And it's true because I don't. It's better when my eyebrows are done because it give me like a guide. But you know, some people can do it without a guide, but I'm not one of those people. Really, but if I walked around like this, like, it's okay. It's fine. This is definitely like, eyebrows are not my thing. Like, then I go in here and I brush it all out, try to blend it as much as I can. Because these lines are pretty thick. Most of the time, my line's not this thick, but I guess they want to be thick today for this video. So I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in, I think this is Fawn. I think it's Fawn. No, it's Toffee. I'm using Toffee. I used Fawn for my eyebrows. I just don't really know where Fawn is right now. Oh, never mind. I found Fawn. I use Fawn for my eyebrows and I use Toffee for this part. I gotta find my brush. Y'all, everything is really unorganized because, I don't know. I probably should organize it for the sake of this video, but yeah. Okay, and so also these brushes, this is an angle brush and this is what I use to conceal my eyebrows, but I got these brushes from Amazon. They were $9.99 and I will leave, oh, I think I got them from Amazon. I think I'll find them and I'll leave the link below. I'm gonna leave a link for all of this stuff here. I got my LA Girl Pro Conceal from the hair store, so I don't think Walmart sells it, but every local beauty supply store does. I feel like angle brushes for concealing eyebrows are way better than concealer brushes. I don't know, just because it really get the arch. See, like I never try to get the middle. I don't know, I just feel like it separates my eyebrows entirely too much. I don't know. My eyebrows have always taken the longest and have been the most scariest process out of everything. Now I'm about to go on with this blending brush. It's also from the little set that I got. I think it was like 20, maybe 15, 20 brushes that came in that set. It was like for $10, so it's a cop. I like to pat instead of rubbing. I go in with some more concealer. I'm using the same concealer that's on my hand and I'm just going in with a flat brush and I'm going to conceal. Well, I'm going to prime my eyes, not conceal. I'm priming my eyes with my eyeshadow. Most of the time when I do eyeshadow looks, I am never ever go dramatic. Stippling brush just to blend that out right here. So now I'm using this box of crayons, y'all. This is not Drugstore. I know, don't fight me. My money did not buy these. They had this Christmas sale going on, but I highly do recommend this palette. My mirror cracked, but I think I showed y'all this in my last video, my reverse makeup challenge. I really stick to this side over here, the brown, the black, and the light brown. I don't know if I can see this or not, but I'm gonna start with the brown color and a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go in my crease. I've always wanted to learn how to do eyeshadow. I've never really took the time out to learn how to do eyeshadow. Blending isn't really a problem. Well, I'm saying that while I blend like a 5-year-old. I do just clean up my lid from where the dark brown got on my eyelid. I clean that up and get it ready for the next color. It still got the plastic on it, y'all. I promise you. See, I never take, yeah. I'm going in with this flat brush. It looked like it's pink, but I promise it's not. It didn't really wash out the last time. But I'm going in with this tan color right here. I always steal a little pink. Haha, that's kind of cute though. I do this look for everything. Like when I was cheering, I did this look. When I go out, I do this look. Whenever I do my makeup, this is my look. Now we're going in, just blending all this out, making sure we don't have any lines. Oh, that's not the right brush. That's still not the right brush. That's the right brush. I'm just going in with that same brown brush. I used these little lashes last time from I used these when I took my senior pictures. These lashes, let me tell y'all, her store lashes really be bomb, but the lashes that I got, they not bomb. But like I thought they was long, but these little bitty baby lashes, I'm so upset. I was so upset when I took them out the pad. I was so upset. I'm a basic black girl and I use hair glue for my lashes. This is like a ghetto a ghetto makeup tutorial. Step 1 of doing a makeup tutorial, know what you're doing. And I don't. If you use tweezers for your lashes, don't talk to me, baby. I probably should use my tweezers with my lashes, because they always be like sitting on top of my lash line. Oh man. Oh, okay. Now we're going in with the foundation, y'all. This is the Maybelline, what is this called? Maybelline 24-hour foundation. This is, I think it's the Maybelline full coverage. It don't really, the title is gone. Also, I don't use primer. I don't know, my makeup does better when I don't use primer for some reason. Y'all, I swear, like the first pat with this foundation, you can see it. And this video is not sponsored, I'm not boosting or nothing. This foundation is bye. Like, I done had mine for about 2 years, but that's only because I did stop using it and I started using the Maybelline Fit Me, because the Maybelline Fit Me was like, as soon as you put it on, it immediately looks like your skin. And at the time, I didn't really know how to do makeup, so I needed something that fit my skin because I didn't know how to blend. But now that I do know how to blend, I can use this orange foundation and I can blend it and it'll turn out real cute. Oh wow, y'all. Oh, don't you just hate when that happens, when you get some type of makeup in your eyebrow? Next, I'm going in with my other LA Girl Pro Conceal in Toffee. I like this one more because it blends in better with my skin. And I like a good highlight, but I also like a good blend. And this is just, you know, this is for me. The same beauty blender that I use my foundation with, that's key, because it has a lot of excess foundation. I don't really wet it anymore than it already is. If it's completely dry, then yeah, I wet it, but until you feel like if you keep blending that you won't be able to see it, that's the goal, because you are going to be able to see it, because you do have to set at the end. Blending is probably like the key word in every single makeup video. That's why, it's because it's a very essential part. And when you can blend, you can just about do anything. And whenever you're done blending until you literally cannot blend no more, is when you go in and set it. I use the Airspun loose face powder. I got this from Walmart. It was like $6 maybe, and I use Naturally Neutral. They have a lot of different colors. They have one that's like got a pink base, and I think they got one that's like a more whiter base, but I use this one and it's just right. Look, this part, this is a tip, this is a hack I'm sharing with y'all, some real deal stuff. So first, I just go in and, you know, I don't use a lot for the first layer, but I go in and I set it. I set it and I Wait, I said it. Every place that I put concealer. And this powder is white. So like if you like me and your skin is darker and you trying to use a whiter powder, if you use this the wrong way, you will look like a ghost. And that's why most people don't like this powder, because like if you don't use it right, and I had to find it out myself, if you don't use it right, it like, I mean, you gotta know. You gotta know. That's why I was so hooked on yellow powders, because with yellow powders, like the yellow base, like Sasha Buttercup powder, you really can't mess that up, especially if your skin is darker, which it do leave a pretty finish. But once I started using this, y'all, stuff changed. Stuff changed. I'm gonna go in with more powder and just put it on top of it. Now this time you don't have to blend it, you just set it on top. When you bake for a long time with a white powder, you just don't bake for a long time with white powder. You don't. Next, we contour. So I'm going in with this Gigi Gorgeous brush from the Gorgeous Contour Brush. I got this out of an Ipsy box. Yes, yeah, out of an Ipsy box. So I'm going in with this. I think it's Ruby Kisses. It is Ruby Kisses, y'all. I got this from the hair store, but this contour, you probably like,
oh, it's Ruby Kisses. Like, what are you doing?
I go in your face. Everybody's face get them guidelines. You follow from the top of your ear all the way down to right here, which is, what is this, the outer corner of your mouth. And I follow this guideline and I contour. Oh, I didn't even tell y'all what color I'm using. I'm using these top two colors. I'm mixing them. The darkest color and this color right next to them. I'm using those two. This next part, contouring your nose, is probably the second hardest part for me, because contouring your nose is it's a job. I'm using this color right here. Everything is set in and I like how I'm looking. I go in with this e.l.f. setting spray. Y'all, the truth. This one, I like this one. I've used this ever since I started using makeup. Even when I didn't know how to do makeup, y'all, this was it. Then I fan myself so I can dry faster, because I don't want the water beads to get into my makeup, so I dry it like this so it dry a little quicker. So this step is very much optional, y'all. I use blush. I did not like blush. Like, I thought blush was not for, I didn't think blush was for my color, like my shade. But I got this matte blush palette from Amazon. Fine. All these palettes, all my palettes and my products sound like they from like a kid collection, and that is kind of sad. But you know, I'm helping y'all. I'm putting y'all on, so I think I am. So I don't know. It's a lot of colors to pick from. I'm either, I mix these two on the ends. I mix those two, and I'm going in with the same brush that I used for my powder. And yes, I do this after I set my makeup, just because I don't know, I like the finish. Last but not least, y'all, I know this is a lot of people's favorite step. This is also like my favorite step. The girls love to glow. This is a Wet n Wild brush. I got this off Amazon for 99 cents. I think it was 99 or $1.99. I think it was, I don't know. And then I got this highlight shade from, this is out of the Ipsy box. It's Focal Point Glow Lighters in Your Treat. Well, let me see if y'all, I don't know if that's it. I don't like to do the whole bridge of my nose. I like to do the top, which meets like right here in between my eyes. It's just me. I don't go all the way down. I literally start like right here. I go in the round lips. Then I go in with this, with the Crayon case. Sorry, not Drugstore, but you can get this shade from pretty much anywhere. It's just a nude shade. Like, I use this. I got the Crayon case and I got the color pencils this Christmas, and I got this palette 2 Christmases ago. I think we finished. Okay, so y'all, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. Even if you didn't, I hope you just liked looking at me do my makeup. So I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video, y'all. Stay tuned for more videos. I'm gonna try, really try to upload a video once a week, because June is coming up and like I got some videos in store for y'all. Make sure y'all like and comment on this video, subscribe for more, turn on the post notification bell so you won't miss a video. And yeah, I'll see y'all next time. Bye.